Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Do this to clear prelims is a part of videos we have introduced in our channel where UPSC tips and strategies will be discussed for cracking the preliminary examination. See friends, more often in my experience what I have observed is candidates fail in UPSC prelims examination because of lack of time management. And in this aspect, even in this year 2022 examination and last year 2021, I have seen candidates who are very potential enough to get a genuine service in UPSC have failed to clear the prelims examination due to lack of preparation for CSAT examination or lack of practice for CSAT examination. In addition, they have failed to manage their time effectively inside the examination hall. So the candidates who feel they are good at maths, they should solve the questions inside the exam hall very quickly. And those who feel their strength area is comprehension, they should also crack the question within the shortest time possible inside the exam hall. Because taking the CSAT paper for granted and going for this examination without any practice will affect your results in the prelims examination a lot. Fine. Now we will go directly into the question. Which number amongst 2 power 40, 3 power 21, 4 power 18 and 8 power 12 is the smallest? See friends, this question comes under the easy category, and every year in the CSAT max segment, questions like this around 5 are asked in the prelims CSAT segment. And for these kind of questions, you don't need to use pen or pencil to do any calculation. Rather, you can just do the calculation with the help of your mind and you can directly get the answer for the question. How we can do that? We'll discuss that now. So as I said earlier, this question was asked in this year 2022 prelims examination, and here 2 power 40, 3 power 21, 4 power 18, 8 power 12. So the smallest number is asked among this. So 2 power 40 and 3 power 21, you keep it as such, and 4 power 18, what we can do is we can express 4 as 2 power 2, right? And now 4 power 18 can be expressed as 2 power 2 into 18. So what is the final thing? It will be 2 power 36. Clear? Now how you can express 8 power 12? 8 as 2 power 3. Now 8 power 12 as 2 power 3 into 12. So it's again 2 power 36. Now you compare with these all the numbers which has been given in the question. So the first option is 2 power 40, second is 3 power 21, third is 2 power 36, and fourth is again 2 power 36. Clear? For 4 power 18 and 8 power 12, we got the same number 2 power 36. Now once you compare the 2 power 36 to 2 power 40, 2 power 40 is highest number which can be eliminated. Now 2 power 36 comes for two numbers, 4 power 18 as well as 8 power 12. See friends, this is a simple logic. Since the number comes same for both of these, that cannot be in the option because both are listed in the option. So you can eliminate that, and the rest of the option is 3 power 21, which is the smallest number. So the correct answer for this question is option B, 3 power 21. Is it clear for you? So this is how you use your common sense inside the exam hall and crack the question in less than 10 seconds. Hope this video will be useful to you. For more such videos, kindly subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.